Hello guys, welcome to Couponsania again, and today we'll be talking about this new brand that we added called Bluehost. So you just have to type Couponsania on Google and the first website that appears is our website. So you'll have to click on that and go to all stores and find the letter B wherein we have Bluehost. So if you are new to this web hosting thing, then I'll have to let you know that Bluehost is one of the top web hosting companies in the world, and they are one of the only two companies that are built on top of Google Cloud. So everything and anything which Bluehost has, including the VPS and the dedicated services, everything is top notch. So if you try Bluehost, you'll be knowing that you can never get anything better than Bluehost. So as Couponsania is all about coupons and deals, we have listed out the top deals which you can get on Bluehost. So as you can see, we have added a lot of deals right here, and like for example, you can save up to 2000 rupees if you go for a Bluehost yearly plan. And of course, Bluehost doesn't provide any monthly plans, but they do provide 30 days money back guarantee. So just in case if you try it and if you don't find it well, or you don't have that gut feeling that this is not working for you, definitely you can get your money back within 30 days, and it's like total money. They won't charge anything, so you can do that. So we have multiple offers right here. So one is you will be getting 2000 off on a yearly plan. There is this flat 40% on all web hosting, and other deals as well. So if you want to activate or get the deal, what you have to do is you have to click on get deal. So when you click on get deal, a new window will appear and you will get the deal. So see, what you're getting here is the deal which was for $399, you're now getting it for $175. Okay, so this is how cheap you got using our website. So what you have to do is you have to click on get started, and then you have to click on the plan which you're planning to get. So for example, if you're going for their highest plan, which is choice plus, which is for almost 800 rupees, you're getting it for 300 rupees. And with that, you're getting unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth. So of course this is a shared hosting, so there's nothing as unlimited bandwidth, but definitely you'll be getting as much as, I believe you can take up to 2 to 5,000 real-time users at a time. So this is the power of this particular hosting, and you'll be getting a free domain for a year using this. So this is very nice offer. And also this thing, as I told you, this is built on top of Google Cloud. So you'll be getting free CDN, which enables your website to open very fast when someone opens from any location. So they have servers in different countries that includes Europe, America, India, Singapore. So all different locations are covered under the CDN. So this is what you will have, and you have free SSL certificate and a lot of free tools coming from Bluehost. Other than that, you will also get unlimited emails. So unlimited emails means you can create as much as emails you want to create on your particular domain. So to get it, you have to just click on select, and the offer will be activated. So if you're going for if you want a new domain, then you'll have to click on I'll create my domain later, and the one which you get free, you can use it for that. And you'll have to fill out all the details here, and so untick this. So we do not need website security. So now we literally got 18,000 off on the total plan. So okay, so this was for 36 months. Let's stick to 12 months. So for 12 months we are not getting that much discount, but of course from 799 it has come down to 459 rupees. So in total you're getting 48% off, and the total amount which you have to pay is 5,508 rupees. So you just have to fill all the details and click on submit, and your offer will be activated and everything will go well. So this is how you can utilize a website to get best deals on web hosting. We also have dedicated sections where we have a lot of web and hosting offers. So that also includes Bluehost, we have Fast Comet, we have HostGator, and other big companies like Hostinger. Like Hostinger is one of the cheapest and best web hosting companies. So if you're planning to get into Hostinger, we also have top like 85% off. So this is how big the deal is. And other hosting such as one.com and EUK web host, WHUX web host. So these companies like the EUK host and WHUK host, these are specifically for Europe. Like those are specifically based in Europe. So if you're having traffic from Europe or your website is into Europe, you'll like it is an advantage for you because your server is in Europe and you'll get benefited from there. There's resellers club, so if you're looking for higher plans, this company provides a cheaper deal. Then of course we have Fast Comet and InterServer. InterServer is the best plan if I'm a newbie, because you get literally 1 month of hosting at literally 20 to 25 rupees. So this is how cheap it is. So you can use that. So thank you very much for watching, and keep exploring our site for all the deals. So if you go on all stores, you'll find a lot of brands which we cover every day, and we keep on adding coupons and deals. So you should visit it. Thank you very much for watching, and do like, share and subscribe, and let your friends know that Couponzania is giving out best deals and offers. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.